Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị, ana m ekele onye ọbụla. You are welcome back to my channel today. This is your brother 1042. The channel where I always speak the truth. The channel where I always give you evidence of whatever I'm saying. Mbaka says something to all IPOB. But before I go on, if today is the first time you are coming across to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and put on notification. That is whenever I post video, you will be notified. But before I go, do you people know that when Mbaka went to Abuja? But that should be that he went there to meet our able leader, Nnamdi. But in this video, let me not waste your time. I'm going to display the video for you. As this television is coming there, I'm going to display the video for you. We are going to watch it together. After we watch it, we are going to come on comment section and say our mind. Here in my channel, I always speak the truth and give you evidence as well. Let's go to that video. And don't forget, like this video and share it as well. And tell me if Mbaka speak what you want. Let's go to the video.
And I'm still asking for our leaders, wherever they are, the governors, and all the meaningful people in this southeast, the ministers, the who is who's, those in the House of Reps, the senators, the Ezes, the Igwes. Nobody should hide. It's not our children that will be suffering for them. The youth should not champion this cause. The leaders should champion it. If we mention Ipob, it's as if to say he's a jobless youth. No. This is an Igbo issue. And whoever is denying that is not an Igbo is a sycophant. Whatever affects our people should affect all of us. So the whole leader should come out. Canceling sit at home doesn't mean it is over. It's just that the poor masses are suffering. Most of those rich people do not have any business down here. The indigenous people of Biafra has ordered the arrest of Monday sit at home enforcers in the southeast. I'm reading from their WhatsApp publication. No more sit at home on Mondays. We would expect that from tomorrow, people should go to markets, people should go to school, people should go to churches, people should open their stores. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra the hero, Nnamdi Kanu, is expressing sympathy and empathy with the southeast people over what they are passing through. He has expressed that he came to know that the Igbos are suffering because of him, and he would not wish that suffering to continue. Therefore, nobody should stop anybody from going to his or her businesses any Monday. All of us should keep praying for his release and work towards his freedom. Because if he dies inside that place, it will cause more trouble. He will die as a martyr. If he comes out, he will come out as a hero. We don't want him to die. Because it is not Nnamdi Kanu's issue. It is the issue that concerns the people that are suffering. Nnamdi is not asking the government to do anything for him. He's speaking for the Igbo people. And we that are affected and he's speaking on their behalf, should do anything possible to see that it is well with him. And many were saying that they saw me at Abuja some days ago. Yes. My own is if I'm with you, I'm with you. If I'm not with you, nobody can make me to be with you. So, but whatever will help my people to be emancipated, I will do that. However, I will help to see that there's an authentic manifestation of salus animarum, salvation of souls. I must do it because I'm a soul saver. So, I know that those who are enforcing the sit at home did it to make people feel that the leader is arrested. But the arrest is affecting everybody. There are people that must eat if they must go out. If they don't go out to sell their little vegetable, that day they will not eat. I am blessing the IPOB leaders wherever they are. It shall be well with them. And some people who may not be aware of this information may want to enforce it. So, and they said, as I will read now, that the only day the sit at home will be done is when Nnamdi is taken to the court. There are people who are working and meeting to see that Nnamdi is released. And it is not by sitting at home here that he will be released. On that Monday, that Wednesday, by the side of the court, you see people carrying mock caskets. Carrying Nigerian flags before the other group came, singing, "Holy, holy, holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior," and overpowered the people carrying the casket and Nigerian flag. So, what I want to tell you is, I was at Abuja. People were going for their business. Nobody even knew there's anything called sit at home. And I thank the IPOB people for canceling sit at home during the Anambra election. May we clap for them. And God will bless them. And we thank them again for canceling Monday sit at home. Put your hands together again. So may God bless them. So we thank the leader of the Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi. May God bless him and keep him.